Here are some pictures of the yard and the current utility building. And there's plenty of space here to add a larger building or even add on to the one that's there, the existing one. This at the back of the yard is a lookout post. It's like a little porch here, and you can look out over the ravine, and it's just really a neat view. And you can hear the springs, the waterways, you can see them coming down the hill. Those are all natural springs. The current owner had plans for a butterfly garden out here. Off to the right there, you can see some fruit trees, and I have some close-up photos in the end of this video of those. And this building has electrical run to it and also well water. And where I'm standing now, at the rear of the house, at the very back of the yard, there's landscaping up to the back here, and this is the pathway that takes you down to supposedly a pond. So we're going to walk down here and just see what it looks like. There is a retention wall here built up to keep the yard from washing, and a lot of landscaping, so that looks really nice. And if you continue down the hill here, it's an actual pathway that's cleared. It does drop off on both sides, but this area is cleared so that you can walk across to the pond. The pond will be to the right, and it actually sits on the neighbor's land. His name is Doug, and apparently he allows all the neighbors to come out onto the pier and go fishing. But this land to the left is included in this property, and even part of the springs run across it. So here's the pond, and it is stocked with fish. I don't remember what type of fish in this, but the community pond is stocked with perch. And the current homeowner said that this had a lot of debris and just wood that people had thrown out here, and they've come in and cleaned it all out, and now it's a clear access to the waterway here. And this has been a nice little walk just to come down here, just on a little adventure, but if you had a golf cart, this would be perfect. Here's some pretty berries, and also the fruit trees that are on the property behind the utility building. Here's some pictures of those. Here's the garage and the driveway. It's a double car garage with an extra entry door there on the side. This is attic space outside the theater room. If you wanted to extend that room, there is plenty of space up here to do that. Here's the small propane tank, the large propane tank, the full home generator, and also the AC units. Hope this is helpful.